Hello and welcome. This is Jilly Cube. I'm doing a very quick and easy ocean blues swipe, kind of going back to basics, but doing kind of an ocean garden under the sea in these lovely sparkling blues. So it is a very easy one to do, especially if you're a beginner or just something to see nice results. So I'll mostly just let you watch me layer the paint and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. Added that lovely copper in there to sort of give the rest of the blues a bit of a pop. So just gently tilting it all over your canvas so it goes over your edges so you get the nice colour on the sides of your canvas also. But you can always finish off the canvas after it's dry and paint it one of the plain colours all the way around the edge. I am trying to leave that space at the top a little bit for my swipe colour, but I will tilt it back towards there for sure. But absolutely loving these colours together. You could certainly leave it as it is if that's what your particular preference is, for sure. But as I said, I'm going to add a swipe colour to this, which will be Amsterdam paint mixed with Australian Floetrol to get me the lacy cells and a nice effect. That is really gorgeous. It is really quite sparkly in can't see it so much on the camera, but it is. So I'm just preparing that paint now, and I'll use that just across the top and use a plastic file divider to do my swiping. So actually, yeah, I didn't use black. I used the navy in the Amsterdam, or I'm not sure if it's blackish blue or blackish green or something, or I'd have to have a look at the container again, but it was just mixed with Australian Floetrol. And as I've told many times before, if you've watched my videos, the information that you may need is how to mix and what to mix is in the drop down box, and there's links to videos as well there. So I do put all the information to mix in my paints and so forth, and links in the drop down box. It's in the description underneath every video I post on YouTube. So here we go for the swipe colour. That was just me plastic file divider that I'd previously done some balloon kisses on, which I can peel off those pieces and off that plastic and you can use it in jewellery, or I can stick it onto a card or whatever you want to do with it. But there you go. What an absolute glorious reaction there with those lovely cells. Definitely is like my garden underneath the sea. What's the song go? The octopus's garden underneath the sea. So I'll just merrily go along, and I won't add too much embellishment to this, she says. And now for just a very few balloon rolls to make it kind of look like some kind of reeds or whatever underneath the sea. I mean, it's quite a nice waterfall effect as well. If you're trying to draw a waterfall, that is a very good technique to do, like the waterfalling. So it's quite nice too. But I just fancied doing something in the blues with that. I'm not sure if it's copper or bronze. I know it's metallic, and it always adds a shine to the rest of the paints. So just merrily going along and enjoying the process.